ASEAN educational progress is built not in isolation, but through sustained cooperation among institutions across the region. Before assuming the presidency, he served in several key leadership positions within the university, including Vice President for Finance and Administration, Vice President for University Relations and Advancement, and Campus Executive Director and Provost.
I'd like to thank and express my sincerest appreciation to our Center Director, Dr. Mahalea Ravago of Senior Innotech, and of course the entire team of Senior Innotech joining us. Why not abnormal? So I always, whenever I get the chance, I always give that information. And that explains why we are focused heavily on teacher education. Because the term or the word normal in Philippine Normal University is traceable to the French École Normale, which means a higher institution of learning in France during the 18th century, dedicated to the training and preparation of future teachers. It is one of the most powerful investments a society can make in its people, shaping opportunities not only for the present, but future generations. In the Southeast Asian context, education serves as a central driver of regional integration and the building of competitive, people-centered community. Quality assurance standards in teacher education. Through strong partnerships among member institutions and education agencies, ASTEN helps address shared regional challenges and support the preparation of educators for the demands of ASEAN integration. The reference framework, or the AQRF, for instance, was designed to support the comparability of qualifications across member states, while the ASEAN University Network Quality Assurance, or AUNQA, the framework promotes shared quality standard assurance within higher education institutions. So we are not lacking in terms of good regional initiatives and examples. Mental health and well-being. But it's good to know that it's already part of the priority document of ASEAN. An even digital divide and the impact of megatrends like artificial intelligence, which challenge existing education frameworks and the future of work. Progress across ASEAN remains uneven. Some countries continue to struggle with rote learning and teacher-centered approaches, while others have advanced through sustained investment in education quality. It is only in the most recent regional plans that the well-being and mental health have been recognized. At the same time, the region faces a widening digital divide, and there are and advocacy. So these are the 5 general areas of work of the network, and these are the basis of our programs and activities that involves all the member institution of ASTEN. These strategic directions align ASTEN's mandate with the broader ASEAN goals. Learning. 5 is well-planned recruitment and professional development of faculty or teacher educators. 6 is on effective leadership, clear policies, and appropriate accreditation. And last but not least, well-developed research and community service. Student teaching exchange programs. And that's for them to experience the educational system in other countries within Southeast Asia. Let me proceed to our research collaboration in ASEAN teacher education. So this is our document that shows the research agenda of ASTEN from 2024 to 2028. We are primarily interested on student-centered and innovative instructional practices, the quality of teacher education and teacher educators and continuing professional learning, teacher professional leadership of the network is shared among the member institutions, but there's only one permanent secretariat.
East Asian Teacher Competency Framework, which was co-created by Inotech and its 11 member countries. So this framework is a reference for harmonizing teacher competencies across Southeast Asia. And fun fact, this framework has been transformed into a professional development program that Inotech offers to countries, to teachers across Southeast Asia. And I think that's why Sir Robbie, my boss, my manager, was also smiling, is because part of our commitment for the next 5 years is to update the teacher competency framework. Because as you mentioned earlier, teacher education is something that you love doing, and that sentiment is shared at Inotech. But enough of my takeaways and reflections. I believe our audience is very excited to engage with Dr. Duga. So with that, let us now proceed to our Q&A.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a warm round of applause.